Fix WhatsApp error. Your microphone is unavailable or in use on another app in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Enable camera in privacy settings. Select microphone. Scroll down to find WhatsApp and toggle the switch next to it to the right on position. Try using your mic in WhatsApp again. Fix 2. Update Windows. General bugs could affect the way Windows operates when it comes to apps, so make sure it is up to date. Fix 3. Run troubleshooters. There are several troubleshooters that could help you deal with your microphone is unavailable or in use on another app error in WhatsApp. Try these. Fix 4. Repair or reset the app. Fix 5. Reinstall the app. Finally, you can try reinstalling WhatsApp to see if that helps you to resolve your microphone is unavailable or in use on another app error.